Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving problems in matrices and determinants. Consider diagonal matrix A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. A inverse equal to 1 by A we know that A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. But it's shortcut method for diagonal matrix. It is enough to take reciprocal of diagonal elements to find the inverse of the matrix. The matrix P equal to 1 alpha 3 1 3 3 2 4 4 is the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix A and determine A equal to 4 then alpha is equal to option A 4, option B 11, option C 5, option D 0. So this matrix is adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix A. First you find the value of the determinant value of this matrix. (12 minus 12 minus alpha into 4 minus 6 3 into 4 minus 6 0 minus alpha into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 2 alpha minus 6. So determinant P equal to 2 alpha minus 6. So P equal to adjoint of A. So determinant P equal to determinant adjoint of A. Determinant P equal to, we know that adjoint of A equal to determine A whole square. Since adjoint of A equal to Determine A whole power n minus 1. Here n is 3. So 3 minus 1. Determine A the whole square. This is equal to 2 alpha minus 6. Determine A is given as 4. That is 4 squared. 2 alpha equal to 16 plus 6 equal to 22. Alpha equal to 22 by 2, that is 11. So this sum has been asked in the previous year. J main. So this has been asked in entrance examination previously. If A equal to 5A minus B, 3, 2, 5A and minus first row, this is second row, and A into adjoint of A equal to A transpose, then 5A plus B is equal to 4, 13, minus 1, 5. These are the given options. A into adjoint of A equal to A into A transpose. But we know that A into adjoint of A equal to determine A into I equal to A transpose. First we take you find determine A. 5A here minus B, 3, 2. It is 10 plus 3B. So determine A into I equal to 10A plus 3B into 1 0 0 1, 10A plus 3B 0 0, 10A plus 3B. So you have found the left hand side value, then you are going to find this value. So determine A into I equal to 10A plus 3B 0 0, 10A plus 3B. Next you find A into A transpose. a, 5a, here minus b, 3, 2. We take transpose of this. 5a, 3 in the first row, minus b, 2 in the second row. 5a into 5a, 25a squared, plus minus b into minus 2 plus b squared, 15a minus 2b. Here also 15a minus 2b, 9 plus 4, 25a squared plus b squared, 15a minus 2b, 15a minus 2b, here we have 13. Determine a into I equal to a transpose. So 10a plus 3b 0 0, 10a plus 3b equal to, here 25a squared plus b squared, (15a minus 2b), 15a minus 2b, 13. Since the two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. (15a minus 2b) equal to equal to 0. So 15a equal to 2b, a equal to 2 by 15 into b. Further, 10a plus 3b equal to 13. 10 into 2 by 15b plus 3b equal to 13. 2 into 5 10, 3 into 15. 4b by 3 plus 3b equal to 13. 4b plus 9b by 3 equal to 13. 13b equal to 13 into 3. So b equal to 3. So a equal to, the previous step you have derived a equal to 2 by 15 into b. A equal to 2 by 15 into (3). That is 2 by 5. A equal to 2 by 5. We have to find 5a plus b. 5 into 2 by 5 plus 3. This will be cancelled. We have 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So option D is the answer. Let A equal to 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1. If U1 and U2 are column matrices such that A U1 equal to 1 0 0 A U2 equal to 0 1 0. Then U1 plus U2 is equal to option A minus 1 1 0, option B minus 1 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 minus 1. A1 plus AU2, that is 1 0 0 plus 0 1 0, A into U1 plus U2. So these two matrices are column matrices of same type. So matrix addition is possible. So corresponding elements can be added. 1 1 0. You find determinant A 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1. It's a lower triangular matrix. So diagonal elements, if all the elements of the main diagonal are 0, it is lower triangular. So the value should be 1. It is enough. If for triangular matrices, to find the determinant value, it is enough to multiply all diagonal elements. So 1 into 1 into 1, answer 1, which is not equal to 0. If determinant A is not equal to 0, which implies A is invertible or A inverse exists. Therefore, A inverse into A into U1 plus U2 equal to A inverse into 110. So I multiply this term on both sides by A inverse, pre-multiplying by A inverse. A inverse into A equal to I. It's a unit matrix. So U1 plus U2 equal to A inverse into 110. I into unit matrix. If you multiply this, get U1 plus U2 equal to A inverse into 110. So we know that A equal to 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1. A inverse equal to so this is 1. So Aij transpose, that is transpose of cofactor matrix. We know that denominator equal to 1 we have found already. You find cofactor value for each and every element. So Aij means cofactor. So for this cofactor 1 minus 0 1. To find the cofactor of this, you take minus sign downward, leaving out this column and this row. 2 minus 0, that is 2 minus 2. For this one cofactor is 4 minus 3, that is 1. For this first you have to put minus sign because it is a sand row first column. So that preceding with minus sign. So 0. Okay. For this 1. For this leaving out this row and this column 2, but we have to put minus 2 preceding with minus sign. For this 0. For this leaving out 0. For this we have 1. You take transpose. So A inverse equal to 1 0 0 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 2 1. We have taken transpose. So U1 plus U2 equal to A inverse into 1 1 0. Equal to 1 0 0 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 2 1 into 1 1 0. So 3 by 3 matrix. This matrix 3 by 3, here 3 by 1. So number of columns is equal to number of rows in the same matrix. The matrix plot is possible. So ants will have 3 rows on 1 column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0. minus into 1, minus 2 plus 1 plus 0. 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 plus 0 equal to 1, minus 1, minus 1. So answer option D. Next, sum 1 line. Let A equal to 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3, 1 1 1, and 10b equal to 4 2 2 minus 5 0 alpha 1 minus 2 3. If B is the inverse of A, then alpha. The given options are minus 2, 5, the third option is 2, fourth option is minus 1. You see, B is the inverse of A, that is B equal to A inverse. So 10B equal to 10 A inverse equal to 4 2 2 minus 5 0 alpha 1 minus 2 3. Here pre-multiply by or post-multiply by A inverse on both sides. 10 A inverse into A equal to 4 2 2 minus 5 0 alpha 1 minus 2 3 into A. A inverse into A equal to I, identity matrix. That is 10I equal to 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, alpha, 1, minus 2, 3, into, you write the value of the matrix A. 1, minus 1, 1. 2, 1, minus 3. 1, 1, 1. One zero zero 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. So 10I equal to, you multiply 4 into 1 4 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2. 4 into 1 minus 4, 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 2. 4 into 1 4, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 1 2, minus 5 0 alpha, plus 5 0 plus alpha, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, here 0 plus alpha, 1 minus 4 3, minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 6 plus 3. So 10 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 equal to, here 10 0 0 alpha minus 5 alpha plus 5 alpha minus 5 0 0 10. So 10 0 0 0 10 0 0 0 10 equal to 10 0 0 alpha minus 5 alpha plus 5 alpha minus 5 0 0 10. So since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. So alpha minus 5 equal to 0. Alpha equal to 5. Suppose if you take this element alpha plus 5, the corresponding value is 10. Alpha equal to 5. Answer option B. Next, sum over 10. If A equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, A to B. Is a matrix satisfying the equation A transpose equal to 9 into I, where I is three by three identity matrix. Then the ordered pair A comma B is equal to option A 2 comma minus 1, option B minus 2 comma 1, option C 2 comma 1, option D minus 2 comma minus 1. So given statement is A into A transpose equal to 9 into I. First take the matrix A, that is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2 in the second row, A to B in the third row. Then you take transpose of this 1, 2, A. The first column will be in the first row. 2, 1, 2. 2 minus 2, B. We have taken transpose of the first matrix. So 9, I is the identity matrix of order 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. You multiply 1 plus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 2 minus 4. A plus 4 plus 2B. Taking second row. So 2 plus 2 minus 4. 4 plus 1 plus 4. 2A plus 2 minus 2B. A plus 4 plus 2B. 2A plus 2 minus 2B. A squared plus 4 plus B squared equal to 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. So 9, 0, A plus 4 plus 2B 0 0 2A minus 2B plus 2 A plus 2B plus 4 2A minus 2B plus 2 A squared plus B squared plus 4 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. A plus 4 plus 2B equal to 0. This number is equal to 0. You take this one 2A minus 2B plus 2 equal to also 0. A plus 2B equal to minus 4. 2A minus 2B equal to minus 2. Adding 3A equal to minus 6, which implies A equal to minus 2. A plus 4 plus 2B equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 4 plus 2B equal to 0. 2B equal to minus 2. So B equal to minus 1. So A equal to minus 2, B equal to minus 1. Answer option D. A equal to, next question, 2 minus 3 minus 4 1. Then adjoint of 3A square plus 12A. Is equal to option A 72 minus 63 minus 84 51. Option B 72 minus 84 minus 63 51. Option C 51 63 64 72. 51 84 63 and 72. So you have to find first A squared, 3A squared plus 12A, then you have to take transverse of the result you got there. A squared. 2 minus 3 minus 4 1. 2 minus 3 minus 4 1. So 2 into 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 12. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So minus 8 minus 4 12 plus 1. So 16 minus 9 minus 12 13. Next, 3a squared plus 12 into a. 3 into a squared, that is this matrix. 16 minus 9 minus 12 13 plus 12 into the given matrix A. 2 and minus 3 in the first row, minus 4 1 in the second row. (48) minus 27 minus 36 39. 24 minus 36 minus 48 12. 48 plus 24 72 minus 63 minus 84 plus 51. So 72 minus 63 minus 84 51. So adjoint of 3a square plus 12a. To find the adjoint, you have to interchange the elements in the main diagonal. So here 51, here 72. Change the elements, change the sign of the second diagonal. So here you have 63, here we have 84. So answer option C. So the option C, first I would have written 51, 63, 64, 72. The 64 is wrong. Here we should have 84. Make the correction. Number 12. Let alpha be a root of the equation x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0, and the matrix A equal to 1 by root 3, 1 1 1, 1 alpha alpha squared, 1 alpha squared, alpha 4. Then the matrix A part 31 is equal to A option 2 I3, option 3 A squared, option 4 A cube. So x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. Find the roots. Minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So solving quadratic equation, apply quadratic formula. So minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2 into 1. Minus 1 plus or minus minus 4, that is minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 plus or minus root 3 into I by 2. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. There are two roots. One root is alpha. This one is equal to omega. This one is omega squared. Let alpha equal to omega. So A is given as 1 by root 3, 1, 1, 1, 1 alpha alpha squared. So omega, omega squared. Third row, 1 alpha squared, that is omega squared. Alpha power 4, that is omega power 4, that is omega. Alpha power 4 equal to omega power 4, that is omega cubed into omega. 1 into omega equal to omega. Omega cubed equal to 1. Since omega is a cube roots of unity, this is equal to 1. You would have studied the complex number. So you have to find first A squared. 1 by root 3, 1 1 1, 1 omega omega squared, 1 omega squared omega into 1 by root 3 into 1 1 1, 1 omega omega squared, 1 omega squared omega. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, that is 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, then 1 into 1, 1, 1 into omega, omega, 1 into omega squared, 1 into 1, 1 plus omega squared plus omega, 1 plus omega squared, 1 into 1, 1 plus omega squared into omega squared, omega per 4, that is equal to just omega, 1 into 1, 1, omega into omega squared, omega cube, that is 1, omega squared into 1, omega cube, that is also equal to 1, omega cube equal to 1 here applied. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, here taking first row, first column, 1 omega squared omega, 1 into 1, 1 omega squared into omega cube, that is 1, omega into omega squared, omega cube also equal to 1, 1 into 1, 1, omega power 4, that is equal to omega plus omega squared. 1 by 3 into 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. Since 1 plus omega squared equal to 0. Sum of cube roots of unity equal to 0, you would have studied in complex number. Here 1 by 3, bring inside 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, that is a squared. We have to find a power 31. First we find a power 4, a squared into a squared, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, again 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. 1 0 0, first row second column, 0. If you multiply 1 plus 0 plus 0, then 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, that is I. So a power 4 equal to I. We need a power 31, a power 28 plus 3. A power 28 into a power 3. A power 4 power 7. 7 into 4 28 into a cube. That is I power 7 into a power 4 equal to I. We have proved. I is a unit matrix. We have only I into a cube. If you multiply any matrix with identity matrix, you get the same matrix, a cube. So Answer option 4. So we will discuss more sums in the next class. Thank you.